get this awesome cars. Let's begin. Where is the action? Okay, I just do this. Cars. Whee! So what will you do first? I guess I just open these cars first. Let me get my scissors. Wait, guys. Whee! Can I get my scissors? No. I'm back. I got this awesome cars. I'm gonna put them. Okay. Two more. Got this last two, guys. Now, what should we do? I guess I don't know. I think it's like this. We get. I believe.
Wow! Hala, so nice naman yun. Uy,
Can you
ka-perfect!
just be quiet?
Nag-YouTube na siya? Hindi mo sinabi? Sorry.
Yeah.
Sabi. Ano yun siya? Ano? Raw? Uy. Hala, ka-perfect!
I don't know what to do. I guess we just.
Oh, nice talaga. Ganda, girl.
What to do here?
No, this one you have to put in this because the truck
How to make it like this?
like this.
Ah, yeah.
Ay,
Okay.
we got it.
And no, you get this.
Ah, yeah. You put it down. The green one.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yes.
So it can be a rice truck. A
Yes.
race truck.
We got it, guys. Now let's go fight. Let's go to the race. I got one car, and now for the other car. I
Oh,
can.
so nice naman yun.
Yeah, I'm getting from here. Got it. Now we get the race in 3, 2, 1.
Green
That
one.
was nice. Now we can just do it again. Let's do this.
The green is faster than the blue.
I think. Oh, let's do blue versus white.
What about the yellow and the red?
Yellow and red. Yellow and red.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. In 3, 2, 1, take off.
Ah, the red one.
I can show you now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show who give it.
Akala ko yung show niya yung sabi ko na
In 3,
Sino kaya?
2, 1, take off.
Wow! Hello, nice gift for from Ate Kim. Okay.
Sabi niya show that. Akala ko i-show niya yung ano. I think there is something. What have we done this? Ah, look, oh.
Wow, so nice naman.
So how we
Ano
do?
kaya?
Nice, no?
You have to figure it out what to be done. Meron pa siya eh.
May red.
Dinosaurs. May red, ano. Where is it? Yung ganito, oh.
There.
Yeah, and then,
Wait. Yeah, but start here.
you can? Ah, okay.
We can just open this mouth and send it to the mouth. And it's
Mm.
that